Yes, let us start our class. And first name is Ankita Meena from B10. Yes, come on, Ankita.
I telling about Diwali.
Hmm.
Diwali is the festival of God Lakshmi.
Hmm.
It it is also can now us Deepavali.
Now in non. It is also non.
Okay, sir. We burn crackers in Diwali.
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
It comes in October and November.
Hmm. बोलो
We
जाओ धीरे.
burn Diwali. Oh, sorry. We burn diyas. We clean our house.
हाँ.
We give gifts. We give gifts, sweet
Hmm.
sweets to each other.
हाँ.
We our new clothes.
Hmm.
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. कोशिश करते रहो बस आप. अभी तो मैंने
Okay, sir.
स्पीकिंग चालू ही नहीं करवाई आपकी. है ना.
हाँ सर.
बस
हाँ.
चिंता नहीं है. बस आप हेजिटेशन निकल जाएगा आपका.
ओके सर.
और दूसरों को सुनना है बहुत ध्यान से कौन कैसे बोल रहा है ना.
ओके सर.
यस कम ऑन हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of B.A. Tramwad Online Productive Classes. Today I am talking that which festival does I like? Do I like?
Do I like?
Yes, sir. I like summer season very much. I am not saying that I don't like any season, but
हाँ.
I like every season, but summer most
हाँ.
because in it we feel very light and if we feel hot so we can on our fan and in this season we have not any burden of wearing many clothes like winter
हाँ.
because in winter there is very much weight of clothes because we wear as I wear t-shirt and jeans so in summers I wear sweater also and cap also so there is a few burden on it and in summers the view are also good and in winters it is also good because in winters there is fog very much fog but it if we go to on any hill station so we feel very happy and it is really very satisfying for us.
Very good.
That's all, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश.
Thank you, sir.
हर्षित मौर्य.
Yes, sir. I like every season, but my favorite season is winter season. सर बारिश के मौसम को विंटर सीजन ही कहते हैं ना.
नहीं रेनी सीजन.
रेनी सीजन.
हाँ.
because in summer we do not play. सर
हाँ बोल.
सर बात तो आ रही ना.
हाँ आ रही है. बोलता रहे बेटा तू.
सर सर्दियों को वही कहते हैं ना वो विंटर्स वो क्या बोलते हैं है ना सर विंटर ही कहते हैं ना सर.
विंटर कहते हैं. बोल.
because in summer season we do not play outside because outside has many sun rays
हाँ.
so I do not like summer season. I do not like winter season because in In winter, we put on jersey inner, jersey inner. So I not like winter season.
Hmm.
In rainy season, we go trees. I play in winter season because there are not any cool and hot.
Huh.
On winter season, I make paper boat and
Rainy season.
rainy season. Yes,
Huh.
sir. I make a boat on rainy season. My father come to home. सर जल्दी को क्या कहते हैं
Soon.
फास्ट
Soon.
सून. Yes, sir. In winter season, I enjoy very much because I bath in rain.
Hmm.
I I play cricket in rainy season.
Hmm.
In rainy season, we should grow trees
Hmm. Shabash.
and हमें सर इसको क्या करेंगे हमें पेड़ उगाने भी चाहिए.
तो बता दिया ना तूने. We should also grow trees.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sir. Because trees give us oxygen,
Hmm.
so we do not cut trees.
We should not cut trees.
We should not cut trees.
Huh.
On winter season, we should grow uh, small plants like tomato, bring tomato, full gobi, and many other things. And many other. I I ride a cycle in rainy season
Huh.
because in rainy season there are many water in
Many
in
water. There is much water.
there is much water in villages, so I ride cycle in I also ride cycle in rainy season.
Huh.
That's it.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा तुमने. Nice efforts. Keep it up. हाँ बेटा. शाबाश बेटा.
सर
हाँ बेटा.
सर मैं लेफ्ट हो जाऊं क्योंकि कहीं जाना है हमें किसी की उधर वो प्रोग्राम है हमारे साइड वो चर्च में जा
हाँ.
सकते.
जा बेटा. जा बेटा.
ओके सर बाय सर.
Bye बेटा. Bye. Yes. Come on, Yamini.
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sao. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes, Batch B9. Today I am telling about my favorite festival. My favorite festival name is Diwali. Um, this day, I put on new clothes. This day, this day
All
we
will listen carefully. Yes. Huh.
This day we firecrackers and enjoy full day. This day my mother prepared special food to us, me and
For
my
us.
for us. I and my friend come up place and play full day. Like Ludo, Sapsiri, Carom, etc.
Huh.
This day, this day, we would we go to market and buy crackers and many other things.
Hmm.
My father set a shop and all the day my father do hard work,
does
does hard work
हाँ
for other festival celebrate this with this
celebrated ध्यान रखो
celebrated with this festival.
हाँ
First of all, Dhanteras. This day my mother buy gold and silver and etc. Second day, Choti Diwali. This, this day we fire crackers and enjoy. Next day my favorite festival Diwali. This day in morning I go to market and buy buy food, chips, cookies, etc. And in evening I fry crackers with my friends. Now I go to shop and my father. Second day we celebrate Govardhan. This day my Tauji and Taiji come my house and which Diwali my little cousin come here and play with us play with us. Second day Bhai Dooj Bhai Dooj. This day I applied a tika on my brother. My brother give gift to me and my Bhuas come here and apply tika to me. My Bhuas give gifts to us and go return. I do Diwali homework, but the last day of holiday and go school and share all the enjoy days for my friends. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है और अच्छी थोड़ा ध्यान रखो वर्क फॉर्म में थोड़ा ध्यान रखा करो है ना बस कोशिश करते रहो यस कम ऑन आसमा
Yes, sir. My topic is my colony.
यस
My colony name is Khonagurian, and my
Correct.
colony is a big and all facility in my colony.
देयर आर से बनाओ सेंटेंस को
There are all facility in my colony,
हाँ आराम से बोलो बराबर था
and about 15 house in my colony, and there are a big park in my colony,
हाँ
and there are two temple in my colony,
हाँ
and all there are all shops in my colony,
हाँ
and that's it, sir.
ओके बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है कोई बात नहीं है ना वेरी
Okay,
गुड कीप इट अप बस कुछ करते रहो आप कोशिश करते रहो बस है ना यस कम ऑन रक्षित
Yes, sir. Hello friends. My name is Rakshit Maurya. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from Batch 10.
हाँ
My topic is my father. My father name is Shri Tarachand Maurya. He is 38 years old.
हाँ
He is a very kind and good person.
शाबाश हाँ
He watch TV sometimes.
हाँ
He run mobile.
हाँ
He sleep at 9 p.m.
हाँ
He wake up at 6 a.m. हाँ, और और sir और his nature is very good.
हाँ बोलो.
And my father go to office daily.
हाँ
I love my father. My
हाँ
father go to office at 9 a.m.
हाँ
My father my father put on pant and shirt.
शाबाश.
Put on and his सर ये तो बोल दिया ना his nature is very good.
कोई बात नहीं, तो आराम से बोलो, घबराए मत. बोल दिया तो भी बोल दे दोबारा, कोई बात नहीं, घबराए मत. हाँ बेटा.
He helps my mother in my work. He
हर
helps
वर्क.
mother their work.
इन हर वर्क.
Yes sir, in her work.
हाँ
He watch CID in TV.
हाँ
And he is he go to office on time.
हाँ
I love my father very much.
हाँ
And my father is bank manager.
हाँ
He
बोलो बेटा. हाँ
sir he go to work on Sunday.
हाँ.
So that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, शाबाश बेटा. वेरी
Yes.
गुड.
Okay sir.
हाँ बेटा. स्पर्श.
Yes. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Sparsh Gupta, and I am the student of Number English Online Interactive Class from batch B1. And today's my topic is which season do I like most? I like most summer season because summer season is the hottest season of the year. In this season, the temperature becomes high. It starts from April to June. In this season, school gets off. We enjoy fully in this season.
हाँ
We spend days playing and traveling with our families.
यस, बोलते जाओ.
Uh,
शाबाश.
in this season, we are free from school work.
शाबाश. हाँ
In this season, we eat king of fruits means mango too much.
हाँ
To enjoy summer, we go for swimming with our friends. We learn many new activities in this season.
हाँ. शाबाश.
Mm, there is a high demand of cold drinks, ice cream, watermelon in this season.
हाँ
I wear comfortable cotton clothes and go out for playing cricket.
हाँ
In morning, I go for walk, and in morning I get fresh air in summer season.
हाँ.
Uh, this is the most entertaining season.
हम्म.
Mm, In this season, days become longer and nights shorter.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
Bad thing about the summer season is that there is water scarcity in this season and there is a high consumption of electricity.
शाबाश.
That's it. Thank you.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. स्पर्श बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Keep it up, बेटा.
Yes, sir.
शाबाश.
Thank you.
Yes, come on, Ruchika.
Yes, hello friends, myself Ruchika, and today I will tell you which season do I like most. I like winter season most because in this season there is quite all sides, and in this season we it is not necessary to do more things like we have in the summer season. We have to not wear more clothes, but in the winter season I think that it is a good season, and if we have to wear more clothes, then it is also good. But some people think that in the winter season we can't go outside and we have to wear many clothes. So I don't like to those who say this. And in the winter season, we can eat everything because nothing damage in this season, and everything is fresh. Whether it is whether it is for it is past of 2 or 3 days, and in the winter season we can go outside on a trip, and everywhere white land is found, and every in the if I talk about Himachal, Jammu Kashmir, there is a every time a winter, but I think that in the other parts of the India we can go in the winter season. And if I now I if I talk about summer season, then I don't like because everywhere is hot, and if there is no electricity, like in the cities there is electricity, but in the villages there is lacking of electricity, and they have to face from many problems, so they know how do they face. But in the if a child is born in the summer season, then he can't live without electricity. So because of this I don't like summer season. And in the rainy season it is a good season. It is a good season because in this season every flower grow, and every tree grow also. But when rain stopped, and after that the season after that the weather became too much sticky, and then this season I don't like. So there are many things that I don't like in this season. That's all.
शाबाश. रुचिका, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आ चुका है तुम्हारा. बिल्कुल.
Thank you, sir.
शाबाश. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
तमन्ना.
Yes, good evening, all of you. Myself, Tamanna. Today's our topic is about the season. Which do you like most?
हाँ, I
As we
like
all
most
know,
to नहीं which. हाँ, okay, ठीक है, बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है.
as we all know, there are many seasons, but most I like rainy season because I belongs to agricultural field, because my father.
कम्युनिटी भी कह सकते हैं. हाँ, एग्रीकल्चरल
Yes,
कम्युनिटी.
sir. Agricultural community, because my father is a farmer, so a farmer waits for a rainy season because in
Shabash,
this
हाँ.
season
हाँ.
it because this season is helpful for crops.
शाबाश.
So
हाँ.
I like it, but there are many disadvantages of this season, like due to heavy rain, the water of rain comes on roads. Due to this problem, people have to face many problems, and trees fall down on the roads.
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
That's why I like but this season.
हाँ
I don't like the spring season because in this season dead leaves fall down,
हाँ
so women have to sweep again and again.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ
And I also like summer season because I can't tolerate winter and so much cold, so I like summer season, and I like cold things, so I can enjoy them only in summer season. That's why I like summer season. That's it. So
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश।
मेरी 2 लाइनें बच गई थी, बोल दूं?
नहीं
याद
नहीं,
आ
ऐसे
गई।
नहीं बोलते हैं बेटा, ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं, वो हो गया बेटा अब, है ना आपका, कोई
ओके
बात नहीं,
सर।
है ना, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोला था आपने। तमन्ना, कीप इट अप, बहुत अच्छा है।
yes
अब ये
sir,
चीज कहीं
thank you sir.
कोई नहीं ले सकता आपसे, आप उस लेवल पर आ चुके हो, आप वो स्पर्श है और अभी एक ये रुचिका है, आप लोग सबकॉन्शियसली आप करने लग गए इन चीजों को बहुत अच्छे से। और भी हैं कई यहाँ पर, दिव्यांशी है और कई स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर जो बहुत अच्छे लेवल पर आ चुके हैं। और सुनिए इन लोगों को, आप ये आपका प्रैक्टिस जो आपने रेगुलरली की है ना, ये सब उसका फ्रूट है जो आप आ जाए, आप बस कहीं नहीं जाएगा अभी, चिंता मत करो। रियली यस, कम ऑन। पूजा, आई थिंक शी इज पूजा 1 from B10. Pooja, from the idea of Pinky Olia. Pooja Masalpuria. Okay. Komal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Komal.
Hello, friends. My name is Kamal Mina. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from Batch 8. Today, my topic is I like winter season.
हाँ
There are different seasons in India.
हाँ
Their names गलत है.
हाँ, बोल, तू बोल, कोई गलत नहीं है, गलत तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है, तू बोल बस।
Winter, spring, monsoon, and autumn.
हाँ
Every season is of about 2-3 months.
हाँ,
Winter is my favorite season. The
शाबाश।
month of December, January, and February is the span of winter in India.
हाँ
The winter season is the coldest season of the years.
शाबाश बेटा। हाँ
People wear woolen clothes in winter and like hot drinks like coffee, soup, etc.
हाँ
The day become very short and night become longer. The winter season.
हाँ,
It is the best season to go on long drive and tour.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
Winter season gives us many fruits like apples, orange, papaya,
हाँ
etc.
हाँ
Winter is a blessing.
हाँ
It is in fact very necessary for us.
हाँ
Christmas and New Year's also celebrate in winter.
हाँ,
But winter season creates some problems too for
शाबाश,
the poor peoples,
वेरी
as
गुड। हाँ
they have no warm clothes and proper home.
शाबाश।
Winter vacation is the best time to relax and enjoy your own family and friends.
हाँ
My mother cooks so many dishes during this vacation.
हाँ,
Mm,
शाबाश,
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, बहुत बढ़िया बोला। थोड़ा सा और प्रैक्टिस में रखोगे तो और फ्लो हो जाएगा, अभी है ना, फ्लो है और एकदम आ जाएगा। बस रेगुलर थोड़ा सा रहोगे ना, है ना, सैटरडे को तो छोड़ना ही नहीं है क्लास आप।
गुरुजी,
हाँ,
मैं बोलूं क्या अब?
आप कहाँ चले गए थे?
सर सॉरी।
नहीं, कहाँ गए थे आप? कहाँ चले गए थे आप?
हाँ।
कहाँ चले गए थे आप अपने नंबर पे? बोलो।
बोलूं?
हाँ
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज पूजा कुमारी मासलपुरिया. आई एम a student of Rambad online classes.
हाँ
I telling about my principal.
हाँ
My principal name is Madhuram Morye.
हाँ
She is very nice. He is very nice.
हाँ
He is very hardworking.
हाँ
He is very polite person.
हाँ, शाबाश,
He is
बोलते जाओ।
very
हाँ
he is very kind person.
हाँ,
He woke up
wakes
early in
up,
the morning.
wakes up,
Wakes up. He wakes up early in the morning.
हाँ,
Then he goes to school.
हाँ,
He helps all poor students.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश बोलते जाओ।
He
हाँ,
help he helps me.
हाँ,
He worry me.
हैं?
He worry me.
मतलब
He do worry me. वे मेरे बारे में चिंता करता है.
he worries about me।
He worries about me.
हाँ,
He wear pant and shirt.
हाँ,
That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी बात है। अगली बार ऐसा करोगे तो सबसे लास्ट में नंबर आएगा तुम्हारा।
Okay, sir.
हाँ, कोशिश
मुझे
करते
डर
रहो।
सा लग रहा था इसलिए.
डर क्या होता है? डर सा लग रहा था, क्लास छोड़ के चले गए आप?
नहीं, यही थी.
कहाँ थे फिर, बोले क्यों नहीं आप? अब आपने कितना सुनना, आपने कितना अच्छा बोला है। डर का क्या होता है? डर तो अपन कितना भी डर ले, डर का क्या है? डर को तो निकालना
Yes, sir.
पड़ता है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, डरने की कोई बात है ही नहीं इसमें किसी भी तरीके की। डरने का क्या है ना? अब डरना नहीं बिल्कुल भी।
हाँ, अगली बार तो और भी.
अगली बार बिल्कुल नहीं। यस, कम ऑन तनु।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Tanu Moria. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes for Batch 10. Today's my topic is Holi. India's country festival. India
कंट्री,
is the country.
बोलो
India's
बोलो।
country of festival because many festivals are celebrated here. All
सेलिब्रेटेड हियर, थोड़ा सा ध्यान,
celebrated here.
थोड़ा
Yes,
सा
sir.
ध्यान देना है बस। हाँ,
All the festivals are important, but Holi is a important festival
हाँ,
of India. It is the festival of colors. Holi
हाँ,
is a 2-day festival.
हाँ,
Holi is the festival of love and happiness.
शाबाश।
It is celebrate all over the
सेलिब्रेटेड
India. Celebrated all over the India.
ओवर,
The
ऑल
first
ओवर द इंडिया। हाँ बोलो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, अब बोलो।
over the India.
हाँ,
The first day we celebrate Holi ka Dahan.
हाँ,
On this day, people collect wooden dunks and they are drummed. The
बर्न,
next Burn. The next day we collect Holi. We celebrate Holi.
हाँ,
On this day people purchase colors.
शाबाश।
People
हाँ,
people apply color on each other. That's it,
हाँ,
sir.
वाह शाबाश, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की। घबराया मत कर।
Yes, sir.
घबराहट हो जाती है क्या?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना? अब आप अच्छा से। हाँ,
सर मैं जाऊँ क्या? फिर वो फंक्शन है पास में.
हाँ, फंक्शन में जाना है। जा बेटा, जा बेटा।
बाय सर.
बाय बेटा। प्रिया, आओ प्रिया।
गुरुजी,
हाँ,
मैं भी जाऊं क्या?
क्यों?
वो क्लास वहां पर जाना ना, स्कूल में क्लास लेनी है मुझे, 5th क्लास की.
ओके ओके, जाओ।
मैंने
हाँ,
सही तो बोला है ना?
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है, सुन लेना तेरा। अभी डाल
ठीक
देंगे
है.
हम शाम को, सुन लेना। बहुत बढ़िया बोला है, कॉन्फिडेंस रखो,
ओके
अपने ऊपर
गुरुजी.
भरोसा रखो, मेरे ऊपर भरोसा रखो। आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है, आपको चिंता मत करो, है ना?
ओके. गुड नाइट गुरुजी.
गुड नाइट,
टेक केयर.
थैंक यू, यू ऑल्सो। प्रिया,
Yes, sir.
हाँ यार,
Good evening, all of you. My name is Priya Meena, and today I'm telling about my favorite season.
शाबाश। आराम से बोलना, घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
Yes, sir. Rainy season is my favorite season.
हाँ,
Although all seasons are my favorite, but it is more than it is more favorite season of me.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बेटा। हाँ,
Rainy season rainy season begins in June month and ends in the September. It comes at the end of summer and it is also called monsoon. When the rain comes, most of the people see the rain and children play and fun in the rain. I also play and take bath in the rain
शाबाश.
and and jumps into the pits uh, and this
Pits. What is pits?
sir gadde.
अच्छा, okay. Yes. Carry
By
on.
this season, our nature looks very green and beautiful, and it
हाँ,
is very helpful for the water because
शाबाश.
when the rain comes, the pond, lakes, and river and pits are filled by the help of rain. The water problem is also finished by this season, and
हाँ,
it is really helpful for a farmer because it depends on the rain, and when the rain comes, uh, his his corn will be grow, and
will grow. कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, बोल तू.
it is the friend of the farmers.
हाँ,
And in this season, the tree does not have need the water of the water,
हाँ,
so it is very helpful season. Uh, and it cleans pollution of our environment. So I like I like this season very much. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. बहुत दिनों के बाद बोला तूने, हैं?
Yes, sir.
However, you spoke very well. I'm very much happy. Keep
Yes,
it
sir.
up. Keep it up. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Nice job. Yes, come on. Icha.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Icha Singh, and I am the student
Yes,
of
Ruchika, you may go. Ruchika, you may go. हाँ, बोलो. Icha बोलो.
and I am the student of Ramban interactive classes. I am telling about my favorite person.
हाँ,
My favorite person name is Miss Pihu. She is about 9 years old. She is not my classmate.
हाँ,
She is my neighbor. She is very good person to me because she understand my feelings and she always helps me. She
शाबाश.
reads in class 5th. She is intelligent. Her nature is very well. She comes to my house daily.
हाँ,
She plays badminton daily with me. She
हाँ,
goes to garden with me and she goes to temple with me. She
शाबाश.
has she has a cycle. She is a simple girl.
हाँ,
She wears simple clothes.
हाँ. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोल
We
रहा है. हाँ,
we purchased clothes on many festivals.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
She celebrate Diwali every year with me.
हाँ.
I like her nature. She loves me
हाँ.
and
शाबाश.
and I love her. She is not only my best friend
But also,
but also my favorite person. I
शाबाश.
am proud of I am proud of her. That's it, sir. Thank
बहुत
you.
बढ़िया बोला है तुमने. इच्छा,
सच्ची में
सच्ची में तू खुद सुन लेना और तेरे पापा को सुनवा देना आज.
ओके सर, डर
हाँ,
लग रहा था.
डर नहीं, डर निकल जाएगा धीरे धीरे. सबके साथ होता है ऐसा. और मैं यहाँ ये प्रैक्टिस जो करवा रहा हूँ ना, ये आपके डर को खत्म कर देगा. बिल्कुल, आप बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो इस चीज, है ना?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
डर
sir.
तो ये डर परमानेंट नहीं है, किसी का भी परमानेंट नहीं है, खत्म हो जाएगा बिल्कुल, आप चिंता मत करो, थोड़े दिन में सब खत्म हो जाएगा। आज बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है आपका, मैं खाली आपको खुश करने के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ ये सब, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes,
सुनना
sir.
आपको चाहिए उसको, बहुत अच्छा आपने बोला है, वेरी गुड।
Thank you, sir.
हाँ बेटा, यस कम ऑन मनीषा, मनीषा
Yes, sir.
यस मनीषा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Manisha from B8 and B6. And today I'm going to tell you about my favorite season.
हाँ
My favorite season is winter and also spring. Because I like winters because there are so many festivals in it, and I enjoy that vacations and festivals with my family and friends.
शाबाश। हाँ
My favorite festival Diwali also comes in winters.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, हाँ
Uh,
वेरी गुड।
in winters, my mother makes several types of sweets.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ
Sweets everywhere. They are delicious. And in winters, there is a fog everywhere. It looks very beautiful.
हम्म,
And because of it, we can't see sir ज़्यादा दूर तक
we can't see uh, far away।
far away. Uh, and so many buildings and houses and roads are it covered by it.
हाँ
And in this season, uh, all the vegetables and fruit are much fresher than others.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश, बोलते जाओ, बहुत बढ़िया, बोलते जाओ।
I also celebrate New Year and Christmas in winters with
हाँ
my friends and family.
शाबाश, हाँ
Uh, Makar Sankranti is also come in winters. On that day, we fly kites,
हाँ
uh, and Lodi is also comes in winters.
हाँ
We I enjoy very much in winters.
हाँ, इन
Thank you
रिप्लीज
so
मत
much,
लगाओ।
sir. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा है मनीषा।
Thank
और
you, sir.
बस थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यूअस रहोगे ना, तो सैटरडे की क्लास तो छोड़नी नहीं है आपको स्पीकिंग की, बस तो आप फ्लो काफी अच्छा
Okay,
है
sir.
आपकी, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है, बस और प्रोफिशिएंसी और आ जाएगी आपकी, है ना, कोई चिंता मत करो। यस कम ऑन
Okay, sir.
दिव्यांशी।
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Divyanshi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes B6. Today's our topic is which season does I like most? We all know about that all festivals have their advantage. Although all seasons are important and nice, but I like summer season most because of summer has summer vacations. We
हाँ
we have not any load of study. We can go our nanny's house and we can enjoy. Days become big by which we can enjoy in the days. We can eat ice creams, chocolates, and drink cold drinks, and no one can refuse us. We can go to swimming pools and we can go for see pictures. I like this festival most. I am telling you about winter season. Winter season is also a good season. Um, Winter has also winter vacations. Winter, many people get married in the winter, and Diwali comes in winter. But winter has half yearly exams, so we have to do study hard. uh, so I don't like this this season. Next is rainy season. Rainy season is also a very good season. We it is the best season. By we can go to visit any place because of its weather. We can people make aloo ka paratha, pakodi in houses to enjoy this season. But after the rain, um, all all environment becomes dirty. So I don't like this festival or this season. That's it.
वेरी गुड दिव्यांशी, बहुत अच्छा सब कुछ तुम्हारा ना, मतलब वेरी नाइस। कोई गैप नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है, बिल्कुल एक नेचुरल तरीके से आप बोल रहे हो। तो वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा आपने अपने व्यूज को एक्सप्रेस किया है। शाबाश, कीप इट अप बेटा, वेरी गुड।
Sir.
ओके आदित्य।
Good afternoon, sir.
चल बेटा।
My name is Aditya Sonwal. Today I am telling my favorite season. The rainy season is my favorite season because it comes after the hot summer. It is my best season for all the 4 seasons. It is the most amazing season of the year. It has very pleasant weather with cold breeze and falls. In rainy season, plants, trees and grasses look very green and attractive.
शाबाश।
Or during this season, dark clouds and lightning are very common.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा,
This,
बहुत
se-
बढ़िया। हाँ।
this season helps by providing rainwater needed for good cultivation of crops. In this season, the environment become clean and fresh due to high rainfall. In this season, everything look very beautiful. In this season, due to heavy rainfall, flood may come which cause a lot of damage. After the rain, the environment become enjoyable.
शाबाश। जॉयफुल भी कर
Sometimes,
सकते हो आप enjoyable की जगह।
okay,
जॉयफुल।
sir.
यस हाँ।
Sometimes this weather is very harmful for agriculture. So that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, करते रहो कोशिश, है ना।
Okay, sir.
ओके यस नाउ पिंकी।
Yes, Jai Hind all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am the student on Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I
आराम
am
से, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से, कोई घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है ना।
yes, sir. Today I am telling my life. My life. My best Guruji name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is my life. You are very hardworking for us. I am proud of you. You worries always me, and you teach very well. You help for people always time
पुअर
for
पुअर।
and all the student love you.
हाँ हाँ शाबाश, बहुत ही ना, धीरे धीरे आराम से तसल्ली से, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा बोल बोल मना मना कोशिश करती रहो। हाँ।
And he put on simple clothes. He get up early in the morning, then he does yoga, then he bath, then he worship God, then he give water tree, then he go to school 7 o'clock. He goes he first he go to school Shivalik and and he come house at 1 o'clock.
हाँ बोलते
He
रहे, शाबाश। हाँ
then he eat food. Then he drink tea. Then he take class.
हाँ
He like tea and poha.
हाँ
And he like children very much. He teach he teach very well. And he is very hardworking uh, for your family,
for his family।
for his family.
हाँ
Uh, his wife name is Mrs. Kamlesh ji.
हाँ
And
जी हाँ
his children name Gati and Bittu. And he live in Malviya Nagar.
हाँ
He is very intelligent.
हाँ
He teach English.
हाँ
He put on simple clothes like dhoti kurta and pant. So
बहुत सही,
study
शाबाश
get.
शाबाश, बोलती रहे तू बस, बहुत बढ़िया, बस ऐसे ही तो आएगा, बोलती रहे। हाँ
He like food dal bati and idli sambar and क्या बोलते छोले कुलचे.
हाँ
He like
बोलते
very much छोले कुलचे.
हाँ हाँ शाबाश बोल।
And you under सर समझने क्या बोलते हैं?
अंडरस्टैंड।
Understanding. हाँ, you understanding me always. You care me always. And you very hardworking for me. And that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी तुमने कोशिश की है। बस मेन बात यही है, कोशिश करो, सही तो अपने आप हो जाता है, धीरे धीरे करते 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 करते, है ना। और कोई तो नहीं रह गया? कोई रह गया हो तो बोल दो, वैसे तो मुझे कोई नजर नहीं आ रहा है कोई रह गया है। सो ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आप सब लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत